Hello guys, this is your host Momentum, and first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. I know this has been a while for recording a video, but now we have started this pattern once again. So as you can see on your screen, this is the chart of gold according to daily time frame. As you know, we always study the gold from higher to low time frame, so we will switch the time frame according to 1 week. So this is 1 week chart of gold, and as you can see, the gold is jumping right from the here, which is the point 1639, and the bull run, the buying rally have been a very disastrous for many of the mafia and other things. Okay, so this is gold. Yeah, we can see a little red candles, but after a almost 14 to 15 weekly green candles, and after that we have seen this red candle. So the pattern continues. Let's try to study the gold according to 1 day chart. As you can see, the weekly chart is not been very clear to study, but according to this I can say that the gold has just broken down this resistance level. So as far as the gold is rejecting this point, it's very clear that the gold will continue its buying trend once it retest this point. If somehow it break out the structure just like that, let me show you with the help of an example. If gold break the structure just like that, then we will see a strong selling condition in the gold, but I don't think so this is possible due to war, as there is a war condition right now and the market is unstable due to this war. Okay, so now we can say that we can draw a new point here for our identification. Okay, this is the best support as well as resistance level we have right now, and let's move to daily chart. Okay, according to the weekly candle, this point, this red area was a strong support as well as a resistance, and the market has retested it very nicely. One more thing we have clear right now here, that this resistance level, as I told you, this red line is very important. The market, once market break the red zone, we have seen a very strong selling. After that, the market has broken the resistance point, we have seen a selling. And couple of days ago, when market broken down this point in the upside direction, we have seen a very long buying, and now once again the market is trying to retest on this point for a strong bullish pump. But let me show you one more thing, that if we draw a trend line from lower area to lower area, then this is the point we are having here to hold the gold for a long time. Okay, so this trend line is also very important. We have to keep searching this trend line, we have to keep an eye on this trend line. If I am going to extend the trend line in the upside direction, then this will be a new trend line and this will be a new area for the gold to watch. Okay, so the gold is very simple here: buy from the trend line, sell from the trend line, buy from the trend line, and sell from the trend line. But as you know, this is the war condition and selling is very risky, so you have to keep an eye on only in the buying direction. Once market retest this point, buy. Market retest this trend line, buy. Market retest this trend line, buy. So this is the brilliant setup for the goal right now to take a trade and to make some good profit. Okay, so let's move to h1 h4 time frame to study the gold in the deeper way. Okay, the structure is very clear. As you can see, the market have been in the buying trend, and once again we will see this trend line and the market will just move like this. Okay, the ultimate target of the market is this all-time high. Keep an eye on this, as this was a fake breakout, this was a fake move here by the market. Why? Because there was not a single resistance here. if we extend this trend line, yeah, there is a small value, there is a small wick, there is a small spike here, but this is not valid. But for now we have got a new resistance level, so let's make it and change its color for our identification. Okay, so now the structure is very simple. You have to wait for the market to hold above the trend line, okay, or to hold above the red zone. Once market take a strong move on this trend line, on this red zone, we are in the buying direction. The target one will be this high, this purple area. If market somehow break the structure in the upside direction, then we will have a new target 5604. If somehow market break the structure, then we will apply a Fibonacci retracement tool to identify its next areas. So this was all about gold according to different time frames and multiple time frames. Hope you will find this video very useful, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you very much.